Here I have Oppo RX17 Neo, and let me show you how to backup data on the following device. So at the very beginning, starting from your home screen, select the settings, then scroll down, find and tap on additional settings. Here you have to go to the very bottom of the list and select backup and reset. And now simply by tapping on this switcher, backup my data, just tap over here, you can activate backup option. But firstly, you have to set up your backup account, so just tap on backup account. And now your device is checking all information. It's time to enter either your email address or phone number. So let me sign in with my Google account with my email address. At gmail.com. And once it's entered, just tap on next. Now you have to type your password, so just give me a second to do it. And once it's typed, I just add some letter, I guess. Once it's typed, just tap on next. Now you just have to read all terms of service and agree with them. Here you can enable all or disable this feature and then accept. Finally tap on OK, so you will have backup to Google Drive enabled. And that's it. And if you would like to switch off backup my data someday, just tap on the same switcher as in the beginning. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.